My dogs are killing a monkey right now. You can tell. They're fighting for it. They're killing a monkey. They just found it in the backyard. A monkey was hopping and then they chased it down. Right now they're eating it. It's a baby monkey. They're like eating up the monkey. They're like killing the monkey. They're like, take that, dumb monkey. I don't like you. Yeah, kill him. I think he's dead already. Yep, he's finished. Now they're chewing on my foot. No, don't chew on my foot. My name is not Chew Toy. It's just sitting in the rug. No, don't come over here. I'm not a chew toy. Oh, they're down there. Okay, bye guys. No, I'm not chew toy. I'm not a chew